A civil authority has issued civil emergency message for the following counties or areas. Marion, Polk, Oregon, at 10:31 a.m. on December 19, 2025, effective until 11:31 a.m. Moderate flooding is imminent along Salem's Mill Creek, Shelton Ditch, and Lower Pringle Creek, north of Mission Street. Water levels will start to recede between 2 p.m. and 7 p.m. today. See www.cityofsalem.net for current conditions and road closures. Sandbag location is a 2100 Ferry St/Mill Race Park at the north side of the park.